So the project I've been working so crazily on here is a scratch-built MiFare card reader that will also read the NFC chip in a Google Nexus S cell phone. Normal little Radio Shack enclosure, a couple of LED shrouds here around a few high-intensity LEDs, and a nice big rocker switch for power. As always, it takes the Arduino about 5-10 seconds to actually boot up, and then we get a red LED showing that the device is secured, just like the card reader on an access control door. If you present an invalid badge, the red LED flashes to indicate that an invalid attempt is detected and the device is not unsecured. If you present a valid badge, we get a flashing green LED to indicate that valid access was granted, and then it returns to secure mode. This is no different than any other access control door on any site. And then when a cell phone is presented that is a valid device, again, we get a flashing green light showing that valid access has been granted. You do have to wake the phone up. The phone can't be asleep. If you hold it up the right while the phone is asleep, nothing happens because the NFC chip in these phones is disabled by default whenever the phone is fully asleep. And that's the project. There was a buzzer involved in the project also, but it turns out that it was overdrawing the GPIO pin that it was connected to. I was sourcing the current off the pin, and with my deadline moved up by a week, there was no time to pull everything out and get it transistor in there, flipping it, sourcing current directly from the battery. So it's powered just by a little 9-volt battery in there, broken by the rocker switch. But it's ready to go. It's going out the door tomorrow morning, and it's been a very interesting project. More to come later.